78-year-old man with 3 days history of cough and fever. He recently started a job at a large factory involved in polyvinyl chloride polymerization. Because he has heard about occupational diseases specifically related to this particular industry, he asked the physician whether his new job is associated with any serious conditions. His physician mentions that PVC is a known chemical carcinogen and that workers exposed to it are at increased risk of developing particular type of cancer. To which of the following cancer is the physician most likely referring? Adenocarcinoma of small intestine, bronchogenic carcinoma, hepatic angiosarcoma, urothelial carcinoma, malignant lymphoma. This is a straightforward question where they want you to know polyvinyl chloride can cause which kind of carcinoma. That is what they want you, which kind of cancer. This is what they want you to know. Now, as most of you indicated, the right answer is hepatic angiosarcoma. It's caused by PVC. An important point to remember over here is urothelial carcinoma is caused by PHC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride and PHC is polycyclic hydrocarbons. So, I usually used to get confused between these two. So I have pointed this out for you guys. Hepatic angiosarcoma is caused by polyvinyl chloride, as mentioned in this question. Urothelial carcinoma can be caused by polycyclic hydrocarbon or cyclophosphamide. So just for me, for memorization purpose, I started imagining a bladder as a circular structure, and anything that has a cyclic structure inside it will cause cancer of bladder. So polycyclic cyclophosphamide, anything that has a cycle in its name will cause cancer of bladder, because bladder somewhat looks like a circle. And hepatic angiosarcoma is caused by PVC, which was asked in this question and which you guys got right.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.